HVAC temperature rise formula tells you how to measure airflow in cubic feet per minute by using the heater's wattage and the measured temperature rise across the heating coil. To measure airflow with expert accuracy, first calculate cubic feet per minute by using the formula CFM equals watts divided by 1,200 times temperature rise in degrees Fahrenheit, and always confirm the heater's wattage from the nameplate rather than panel estimates. Next, measure temperature rise using two digital thermometers placed as close to the inlet and outlet of the heater as possible, averaging multiple steady readings after the system has run at steady state for at least 5 minutes. Third, if the system uses single-phase power, measure supply voltage at the heater during the test, because voltage sag will change wattage and thus cubic feet per minute calculations. Fourth, when measuring amperage use, a true RMS clamp meter rated for the circuit and clamp on the conductor feeding the heater, not on bundled neutrals. Fifth, correct for sensor placement by moving the inlet thermometer around the grill area in a grid pattern and averaging to avoid biased readings from short-circuiting air paths. Sixth, apply corrections for high-efficiency furnaces by accounting for bypass or secondary airflow paths and subtracting any measured return leaks using a smoke pencil or calibrated leak tester. Seventh, when recording results, document ambient conditions and fan speed setting, so future comparisons use identical parameters. Eighth, always compare calculated cubic feet per minute to manufacturer airflow specifications and use balanced dampers or fan speed adjustments to bring measured airflow within the specified temperature rise band. One of the most common mistakes is using incorrect wattage or nameplate data, which leads to wrong airflow cubic feet per minute calculations. Fix this by measuring voltage and amperage at the heater and computing actual watts as voltage times amperage, then use that measured watts value in the formula. One of the biggest issues is poor thermometer placement, causing inaccurate temperature rise readings. Fix this by using matched digital thermometers, averaging multiple locations, and waiting for steady state. One of the frequent errors is unsafe or improper extension of the heater's supply conductor while trying to access for amperage measurement. Fix this by de-energizing the circuit, using a properly rated splice kit with a temporary larger gauge extension only long enough for the test, retorquing the original connection to the manufacturer's spec afterwards, and restoring all covers and insulation per local electrical code. BigHomeProjects.com is a homeowner directory that connects people needing accurate HVAC testing or safe electrical work with trusted local contractors who understand temperature rise, cubic feet per minute, and safe wiring practice. The site helps homeowners find vetted professionals and helps contractors get work by listing verified tradespeople and allowing contractors to showcase specialties like HVAC airflow measurement and safe temporary wiring techniques.